Hi guys, it's me Sultan here. We learn pronouns in this lesson and also other grammatical rules in Azerbaijani language. So demonstrative pronouns and to be and so on. Yeah. Pronouns. Really important. Now, so first, second and third person you see here. Man, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. And also demonstrative pronouns. Now, bu, o, singular, bunlar, onlar, plural. As you know, larlar, here, lar, is the plural suffix, right? And here we have an additional n, here too, bu plus lar, o plus lar. We have n here, it's because of the grammatic structure of our language. Okay, we don't say bular, olar. It will be, okay, but in a really local situation, bular, olar, or maybe in some situations because of pronunciation of dialect. Okay, bular, olar, but it's grammatically not correct. Bunlar, onlar is uh, always good. Yeah. Okay. For example, man, talabayam. I'm a student. Man talabayam. O talaba, sen talabasan. O talabadir. It's like uh, the forms of to be. Okay, we will learn that. And then bu maşındır, o maşındır. And here's a difference. Because bu maşındır is for an object we point, okay, but this object is near us. The O is for the objects which are far from us, okay. Like it's like the differences between this and that in English, okay. For example, that is my car and this is my car. So to be, the forms of to be. So for this grammatical rule, I have a really good example here from a book. It's okay. Şahsa göre değişmesi. Yeah. İsmi şahsa göre değişmesi. We call this like this. İsmi şahsa göre değişmesi. Yeah. Here we can see the suffixes. Okay. We say above two. It's like am. First person birinci şahs tek. First person singular. And jam plural. Tek singular. Jam plural. Am ig üstü dört. Ig, ig, ug, üg. Second person singular. San, sen. Like I am, we are, you are, san, sen. Plural. Also you are, sen, siz. Yeah. You are, blah blah blah. Sınız, siniz, sunuz, sünüz. For above four. Third person singular. Der, dir, dur, dir. Like he is, she is, it is. Okay. Plural. Der, dir, dur, dir. Plus lar, lar. Aha. Onlar, onlar. Now we will use the combinations of these suffixes. Okay, I will give you. We have the examples here actually. Yeah. For example, onlar insandırlar. Okay, onlar insandırlar. Onlar şagirddirler. Şagird is a school pupil. Okay, şagird. So Let's go back here. Man insanam, man şagirdem. See, am, insanam, şagirdem. Plural, first person plural. Biz insanlık, biz şagirdik. Ik, ik, ug, ük. We will see the examples. Sen insansan, sen şagirtsen. So here the meanings, by the way. Man insanam, I'm human, I'm man, okay. Insan is human, or human being. Insan. I'm a human being, I'm a human. We are human, or humans, I'm not sure. Sen insansın, you are human. Siz insansınız, you are human beings. O insandır, he is like human being. Onlar insandırlar, they are human beings, okay. Yeah, and ben şagirdem, biz şagirdik, sen şagirtsen, siz şagirtsiniz, o şagirttir, onlar şagirttirler. Okay, so now here, man hakimam, we have man hakimam, I'm a doctor, and man professoram, I'm a professor. What is the difference here? We have already learned about lar, about when we use lar and when we use la. Because we have here front vowel e, hakim, right? Hakim. We use am, also a suffix with front vowel, not a, not hakimam, hakimam. Professor, here the last part of professor ends with an o. O is back vowel, o. Let's repeat. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Back vowels. E, A, I, Ö, Ü. E, A, I, Ö, Ü. Front vowels. So, because we have here O, we use professoram, not professoram. It's not right. Professoram akimam. And we can say also without man or other personal pronouns. Okay, we can say just hakimam, not man hakimam. In some situations, in some cases, it's okay and understandable. Shorten it in order, yeah. Also like san hakim san, like here, san şagird san, san şagird san. It's also about like question word, question sentence. Sen şagirtsen, question, sorry. Sen şagirtsen, question. Sen insansan, question. Okay, and also you can say şagirtsen, insansan. Okay, yeah, it's also possible. I mean, now, ben sürücüyüm. I'm a driver. Now we become here an additional y, year here, year. You can so read the why we use year here. Okay. Man yazacağım. Ben süreceğim, man yazacağım. And now, stress, yeah. You can read about stress. For the beginner level, it's completely in order with tones, with stress. not so necessary. So second person singular. San san, as you learned, san san. So san hakim san, you are a doctor. San professor san, you are a professor. San sürücü san, you see, front vowel. You are a driver. Sürücü driver. Sen yazıcı san, you are an author. Yazıcı san, A-E-O-U, see? Because of that, we use an here. Sun here, by the way, sun, not an, sun. Sun, san. Third person singular. Now, o sürücüdür. We use here dır, dir, dur, dür. Dır, dir, dur, dür. Let's begin with this one. O yazıcıdır. He or she is an author. He, she is the same in Azerbaijani. O, okay, o. O yazıcıdır. He or she is an author. O hakimdir. O profesördür. O sürücüdür. Dır, dir, dur, dür. So, first person plural. Biz sürücüyük. Here is the suffix ık above for. Ig, ik, uk, ük. It's the structure of the suffix, okay? We don't say like ig, okay? Ig, not ig. It's ich. It's because of the structure of the language, okay? Biz yazıcıyık. You just can just learn the suffix itself, okay? Ig, ik, uk, ük. Ig, yeah, ig, ik, uk, ük. Ig, ik, uk, ük. So, biz sürücüyük, biz profesörük, biz hakimik, biz yazıcıyık. And sürücüyük, we have here y, okay. I think, yeah, I remember that in my lessons. It's because of we have here a vowel, okay. Yeah, and it doesn't matter back vowel or front vowel. If we have at the end a vowel, I mean if the word ends with a vowel, back or front vowel, we have to use y here because we can't say sürücüyük. Sürücüyük. Could you imagine in Azerbaijani a double vowel after each one? I can't imagine. And here also yazıcıyık, oh no, yazıcıyık. Yeah, you see, it's very natural. It feels like in order. But yazıcıyık, biz yazıcıyık, biz sürücüyük, not sürücüyük, yazıcıyık. But here we don't have you because we have m here, r here. Okay, professor. Please remember the letters in Azerbaijani alphabet. We have vowels and 23 consonants. Like, please remember these. Like a, e, o, u, and e, a, I, e, u. It's vowels, and others are consonants in our alphabet. And we have here er and m, because therefore we don't have u here. So I will continue in the next video. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you later. Bye bye.